Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to find a duplicate characters in a string using our TypeScript. Okay, and I'm going to give you for two different approaches. One is built-in function, and another one is without built-in function. Okay, these two we are going to discussing about that. Okay, now if I go ahead and here I will create for one file duplicate. So it's capital dot ts. Okay, now here we are going to creating the first one uh, with the built-in function. Okay, with built-in function. This is the built-in function we are going to create. Okay, first I'm going to create the duplicate function. Okay, and do as a duplicate I'm going to create the function, or you can able to create any kind of like meaningful, because our is basically a find duplicate characters, right? Duplicate. Okay, find duplicate. Now I'm going to using here not number str string, and I'm going to make it as a string. Okay, and this become a string. Okay, because we are giving for string array. Okay, now my return type we need to, we'll see this in the last. Okay, now first I can see by default it is providing some basic information what exactly you can able to do and all. Okay, and I'm going to the similar format. Maybe you'll get the question mark how you are going to get everything. Okay, because I have already built in for this Copilot one. Okay, because of that also it is coming some, and also this VS Code having some new features like it will provide you for some code. Okay, based upon that you can able to modify your what exactly your expectations. Okay, and here is the character, and this is my char count. Okay, and here is my key and string and the numbers we need to provide it. Okay, and here is the duplicates. Okay, this is also one kind of array I'm going to creating, and here it is used for loop to store everything. Okay, you can use for loop or for each, both the cases are same only. Okay, and if you use a for each also, similar format only, we can able to store the all the data. Okay, and here what will happen, what are the string you are given, it will do for loop, and which we are going to get the one by one char, and that particular char we are going to counting. Okay, the count char it will be store in case the, okay, and plus one it will take. Okay, and then it will go and check that for each loop, this is the for each loop, and we are going to check the char, and we are putting into the duplicate. In case that is already presented, then we are going to make it in the duplicate. Okay, and we are making into the joining that things, and we are going to displaying. Okay, now final one we are going to do for console.log hello world. Okay, now second one, now if I run this specific one, before that we need to ts dot duplicate, shit, dot ts. Okay, first we are comparing. Okay, then we are going to use for dot slash dot js. Okay, now you can see there are two things it is showing that these are the, okay, Now in the first one it is showing for L repeated and O is repeated, remaining things not repeated, and down one T and P are repeated. Okay, what are the repeated words it is there, that to duplicate it is showing. Okay, this is basically using for built-in function. Okay, if you want to use for without built-in function, you can able to use it. This is without built-in function. Okay, without built-in function also it will the same format, but there is a small difference. You can see, right? This first two characters are we are defining the same format, nothing different, and then for each loop, and here is the one we are going to making different. Okay, and here also you can see for each loop, and we are joining that things, and here is the only one place it will change, and here basically we are finding the duplicate, and if it is exactly match, the count will be a +1. Otherwise, no, that char which is the count will present array, that particular char we are going to verify. If it is already presented, then we are going to making as a duplicate one. Okay, and that is a one. If it is not there, then we are going to do that. If it is there, then immediately we are going to make it as a duplicate place. Okay, that is a built-in one. And the similar format, not without built-in function means, and here also similar format. This is a complete char one by one, and here is a if condition. If it is a char already presented, the char one, okay, and it will go into inside that, it will increase the plus plus, otherwise it will go and keep equal to 1. Okay, and here is a for each loop and pushing into the char only. This particular portion is the same, and here is the logic will be a change. Okay, see here the for each loop we are rotating, here is the one, and here itself we are doing the plus, but here we are using the condition as well. Okay, if you compare now, oh, before comparing we need to see here, it is total 4 type. Okay, 2 is built-in function and 2 is non-built-in function. Okay, like this we can able to do. And 1 minute, getting some call. Sorry. Uh, where it is, yeah, exactly. With the built-in function, without built-in function, we are able to find our duplicate characters, right? And next video session time, we can able to see the count. Okay, how many times this particular character are repeated. Now we are only showing for duplicate character. How many times that duplicate is coming, we are not going to count. Just if it is already repeated, then we are going to displaying if that how many time that particular character is displayed inside the given string, we need to count and then we need to display. If L 3 times, then L equal to 3, like that, or 3 equal to L, like that I have to print. Okay, that we will see into the next video session. Okay, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.